Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on torsion and we take problem on hollow shafts. Our problem statement is a hollow shaft of external diameter 120 mm transmits 300 kW of power at 200 rpm. Determine the maximum internal diameter if the maximum stress in the shaft is not to exceed 60 Newton per mm square. So in this problem we first show a schematic representation of a hollow shaft whose outer diameter is capital D and inner diameter is small d and length is L. It is being subjected to some maximum torque Tm while it transmits power. So given data in this problem is, first thing which is given in the problem is that we have hollow shaft whose external or outer diameter capital D is 120 mm. And this shaft transmits power P equal to 300 kilowatt, which is 300 into 10 to the power 3 watts, and it does this at RPM of n equal to 120 RPM. And they have given that the maximum stress in the shaft must not exceed 60 Newton per mm square. We know that the stress induced in shaft is your shear stress, so we have your tau m is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. So in this problem they have asked to find the maximum internal diameter, which is D, so that this hollow shaft transmits the required power at the required RPM without exceeding the shear stress of 60 Newton per mm square. So now let's solve the problem. We know the power transmitted by shaft is given as power is equal to 2 pi n t by 60, where n is the RPM of the shaft and t is the mean torque with which the power is being transmitted. So upon substituting the values of P and N, we have P is equal to 300 into 10 to the power 3 watts. This is equal to 2 pi into N is 120 RPM into mean torque T, the whole upon 60. So upon solving, we get the mean torque T is equal to 14.323 into 10 to the power 3 Newton meter. One important point to be noted: in this formula of power, your T found out will always be in Newton meter, since the unit of power is watts, which is nothing but 1 Newton meter per second. So it is important to convert this torque from Newton meter to Newton mm. So we have the mean torque T is equal to 14.323 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Now since no other information is given, we will consider the maximum torque Tm is same as that of your mean torque T, and it is equal to 14.323 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Now we also know that torsional formula is given as Tm by J is equal to tau m by capital R, where Tm is the maximum torque and J is the polar moment of inertia, which for hollow circular shaft is pi by 32 into capital D to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4. This is equal to the maximum shear stress tau m upon the maximum outer radius of the shaft, which is d by 2. So now simply substituting the values of Tm, tau m and your capital D, we can determine your small d, that is the internal diameter of the hollow shaft. So we have Tm is 14.323 into 10 to the power 6, this whole upon pi by 32 into capital D is 120 to the power 4 minus small d, which you have to find out, and this is equal to maximum shear stress is 60 Newton per mm square upon capital D by 2 is 120 divided by 2. So upon solving, we get the value of D4 as 88.54 mm. So we say that the maximum internal diameter of hollow shaft is 88.54 mm. So if the internal diameter of this hollow shaft exceeds this value, the J term, polar moment of inertia of this hollow shaft, will reduce and the resulting stress produced will exceed the maximum permissible stress of 60 Newton per mm square. So with this, our problem is over. Thanks for watching in 5 minutes.